I said I would be making a part 2, but in a different game today because it was running the other game. And yeah, I'm in Ragdoll. So yeah, I'm gonna be talking to people. Bing bong. Oh, I'm done. Okay. Wow, that was really fun. I would like to break my neck again. No, I'm joking. Wait, I want to explode like this. Dude. Socks for what? You need socks for Christmas when it's cold. Are you dumb? Do you not know what socks are for? Okay. Whee! Oh man, I thought it'd be go fast over there. Hey, at least I'm almost like at the end. No, Ragdoll. Yeah. Okay. See where I'm gonna. Oh my god! I thought I was gonna stand up. Sorry, yeah. Sorry, I'm just stretching. Oh my god! Wait, Coco Melon. No! No! Don't! Ah! Wait, what? You BTS fan? You're so rude! Oh my god, he's dead. I want to be dead too. Oh, okay. I'm broken. Oh my god. That should be a new pose. Pose. I thought her name was Coco Melon. Oh wait, I want to be trash. Oh my god, it's Rat. Wait, she looks like exactly like my fake friend's character. Oh no. No, wait, never mind, I'm trash. Why is my leg up? I'm like a homeless person over here. And I am tiny. What the heck? I never thought I would be this tiny. Look at this girl. Look at the size of this girl and the size of me. I'm so tiny. Oh my god, don't. I'm sorry. I'm just... No. I always thought this was my hiding spot, but some dudes found me. And yeah. Hey, yeah. No, they left me. Okay, I'm gonna go swimming today. Okay. Whee! Oh, this looks like me. It looks like I'm dying. Probably because I am. Yeah. Oh my god. Yeah! I literally hit myself off the bottom of the pool. Never gonna turn. Wait. Never gonna turn hashtags and hashtag ABC. Okay. Well, Rat said that. I feel like there's all noobs, but I'm the only one. Yeah, like, I only see noobs in the pool. Not being rude or anything, I'm just saying. I mean, I like noobs because we all started as noobs and bacons. Not being rude or anything, I'm just calling them that for no reason. I really like my avatar. But yeah, and this is the end of this. Can't you say? Okay, this is the end, and you're gonna just watch me fall for now. Whee! I died.